In an affluent city, a billionaire named Charles Donovan lived a life of luxury, but little did anyone know that behind his glamorous exterior lay a secret mission to change lives. His heart stirred by stories of struggle, Charles quietly made it his goal to pay off strangers' medical bills, bringing unexpected relief and joy to those in distress. As word spread of this mystery benefactor, heartfelt gratitude began to ripple through the community, igniting hope among those burdened by debt. Families who had feared losing everything due to unpaid medical expenses found themselves embracing new beginnings, all thanks to the generosity of one man with a hidden agenda. Despite his efforts to remain anonymous, the media began to catch on, labeling him as the ghost philanthropist. With each new story, Charles pondered the impact of his generosity, questioning if maintaining his anonymity was truly for the best. As the sun set over the city, Charles Donovan found himself torn between two worlds, one of affluence and the other filled with struggles he sought to alleviate. Each letter he received only deepened his resolve, reminding him of the profound impact one person's kindness can have on countless lives. In the warmth of a local cafe, Charles met families he had helped, listening intently as they shared their struggles and triumphs. Each story fueled his desire to continue, but the question lingered: should he reveal his identity and inspire others, or remain in the shadows, allowing the focus to remain on those he assisted? As Charles stood before the mirror, he felt a wave of resolve wash over him, contemplating the power of revealing his identity. Just hours later, a gathering of supporters awaited the announcement, their signs echoing gratitude and admiration, ready to hear the truth behind the man who had transformed so many lives. Standing before the eager audience, Charles felt a surge of adrenaline as he prepared to unveil his true self and the reasons behind his philanthropic journey. As he began to speak, silence enveloped the room, each person hanging on his every word, ready to learn about the man who had become a beacon of hope in their lives. With every word, Charles's passion filled the air, emphasizing the importance of community strength and the power of coming together. Among the crowd, a young woman felt a wave of emotions wash over her, recognizing the man who had changed her life and inspiring her to dream bigger than ever before.